Mango cheesecake is here to impress. With its velvety cream cheese filling, buttery digestive biscuit crust, and luscious layer of sweet mangoes, this dessert brings a taste of the tropics to your table. So, though this is not initially a Filipino like authentic dessert, mango cheesecake has been embraced locally in the typical celebrations and family gatherings. And the star ingredient is the Philippine Carabao mango. It is considered one of the sweetest varieties of mango in the world, and it is a key reason why this version of cheesecake stands out. So, when picking your mango, as much as possible, try to use the Carabao mango. You can find this at most Asian markets. Sometimes you can find it at special health food stores, but I've mainly seen it in Asian markets. So, give this a try. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe.